So this is like with the whole big bunch. You can see this big plate with the feast.
And I need to crack this.
With
And
this.
this is a crab cracker. Then I need to leave this place.
Oh, okay.
It's a meat.
Let me eat it. Give it away.
Okay. One time experience like this. See how it's gonna be, right? Misha? Crabs, seafood and scallops, fish. Where are you going, guys, today?
We are going to Red Lobster.
Ah, Red Lobster. Yeah. Why are you saying that side?
Because it's a banner or maybe a billboard. But thing is here.
So today is Saturday and we are here at Red Lobster. So welcome to our channel. So let me show you what's here. The menu will be the seafood here. So we're gonna enter here and let me show you the front board. Wait. So this is the Red Lobster. We are going inside for the seafood. So today, so let's go inside. So it's very chilly. Oh. So it's a dining area. So you can see everybody here for dining, right? You're excited for the seafood today? Okay. Huh.
It's only crab.
So you can see this is all things.
It's Messi.
Ah,
Messi.
you know him?
Yes.
Okay.
It's Messi.
So this is like Red Lobster area, like
No.
everybody comes
No.
in for.
No. That Messi died because this all
Misha, you tired? Sanvi and Misha tired. So you're waiting for your turn because there's 15 minutes still like waiting. They'll say like 15 minutes, but it will take little half an hour at least.
like Sammy say, don't push flash because
Okay.
somebody's going to see it.
Yeah. So we will wait because it's weekend. So let's
Somebody
see
say
how much
normal
time it
karo.
will take. Because it's a very authentic restaurant, like for the seafood if you want to come. Look at this. We are in washroom because
Hi.
we were waiting for.
First, I need to go bathroom because that's very good. Because you need to go bathroom there.
So
Find it.
actually we were waiting for.
No, wait. When you boy, you can go to bathroom, and when you girl, and you can go to bathroom.
So
Because there's two bathrooms.
so it's half an hour waiting in for the sitting area. So,
Wait, look at this. Wait, look at this.
Yeah, you see
Wait,
that?
there's circle here. You can trash, and there's not trash.
Oh, okay.
It's going to fall down.
Okay. So the
Wait.
so we are going outside.
Wait,
and
Mom. Like, the baby wants to diaper, change, you can do this, and you can
whenever she is with me and I'm vlogging, and she always want to explain everything, right? Right. So we are waiting and we are like. So if you want to come any authentic restaurant, like which is for like if you're going to see like anything like a seafood special restaurant, so that's a Red Lobster, which is very authentic for their meals like seafood meals. So let's go. How it's gonna be? This is our first experience.
Wait.
Our first time.
We're not
today.
going here.
Huh?
We're not going there.
Okay.
Wait, do you see there?
Yeah, I can see you.
Wait, do you see the camera? There?
Okay.
Like the drawing.
Let's go now. After half an hour waiting, now we are getting our chair. My God! Finally, you got it. Right?
I will eat with you. मुझे भी खाना खाना है.
Okay.
Okay, मैं choose कर लूँ.
नहीं मुझे कर लेना ऑर्डर फिर उसके बाद.
Let's go sit.
Wait, look it up.
Oh my God! Finally, we got our chair.
ऐसा ना बोल सकते हो?
So,
चलो हम आ गए हैं.
so Sanvi Misha was very getting eager. After like half an hour waiting for like 40 minutes around, we got our table. With this weekend, it's very hard to get our table.
Strawberries or which one?
So it's very authentic. You can see so many people here. You can see there. Everybody is full. And it's a big area of that one. And this side is the bar area. That side. So what are you ordering today?
I'm ordering ultimate feast, some lobster tail and snow crab legs
Okay.
and
What is the price
walled
menu?
shrimps. Walled
They are
shrimps.
showing up with the calories.
Yeah, $50.
So this is like with the whole big bunch. You can see this big plate with the feast. So it will go with only one plate. I think one plate will be enough for us, right? Thank you. You're welcome.
ये खाओ बेटा, ये बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे लगा तुमने अलग से मेन्यू ऑर्डर लिख सोच लिया था क्या?
नहीं मैं नहीं ऑर्डर करी. मैं सोची थी कि
No, that's for you.
अलग से क्या सोच रहा था मैं सोचा कि बीशा का लिया कि नहीं.
ये सबसे बेस्ट होता है.
What is this you're eating? This is the
That's so hot.
Hi. Bread खा लो सीधे सीधे. So what you ordered? Let's see like what they're gonna get. So we'll discuss after that.
This is bay biscuit, and if you like it, I can order one more.
Okay.
Oh.
This is for free?
It's so hot. It's so hot.
This is for free?
Yeah, this is free.
Okay.
Mm.
How's that?
It's so hot.
Okay. देखते हैं अभी. मैं try कर लेती हूँ. मैं try. Let me give you. Okay.
Sunny, how's that?
Try grande.
It's very crispy and warm.
बहुत अच्छा है. और पता है आज cheat day है, guys. Everything eat it.
Somebody got a big plate.
We'll get it. We'll get it. How's that in the bay biscuit?
Good.
Freshly
Lot
baked.
of butter inside.
That's okay. That's how you are coming here for.
And you got what? This is lemonade, right?
Wait, look at this.
You can use the ramen and we'll drink the lemonade, okay?
Smoothie.
She's hungry. What is the time right now? It's like 3 p.m. I think. Afternoon time and this afternoon and everybody comes here for their like lunches or you can see dinner also. You can eat dinner. Suno? Chawal le liya? Chawal? This is not Indian restaurant. This is जहाँ you can see. Chicken ले लिया? तभी तो मैं कह रही थी. क्या कर रही है जानवी? जानवी कह रही है चिकन राइस ले लिया. What you are asking for? This is a seafood restaurant, right?
Okay, food is coming in 100 minutes.
100 minutes.
We are waiting for our food.
Huh.
I'm so bored.
How's the taste of mango smoothie?
It's actually pretty good.
It's pretty good.
You want to try it?
No, I already tried it. So it's lots of mango and the strong flavor.
Look at this.
And the strawberry smoothie and the
Look at this.
lemonade.
Wait, look at that lemonade.
It's almost 1 hour
look at
now
that yellow thingy.
of waiting.
That's
देखो
खाना लाओ.
भूख लगी है खाना लाओ. ये तो आधा स्मूदी चाट के रहता है फोर्क में लगा के. What are you doing? Why are you eating smoothie? This is not for you. Like, okay, you're drinking. How's that taste? Tell me.
Very good. It's not sour.
It's very hard before
You're
meal waiting.
Can we try this out? Can we
Waiting
try?
for meal.
Can we try? Why?
Papa, not try me.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh, so bored. Yeah, I'm bored.
देखो गिरा रहे हैं सब.
Huh.
And it was like this, like cutting. So.
Can you please change the water with no ice?
Lobster tray and this a lot of things and that is coleslaw. And what is this? This is pasta for Misha, right? What? Now you start your food. Your food is in here. You're hungry? Start your food.
Yeah.
I don't want that. Wait, we start?
Yeah, let me.
Okay, so start your food and let me give it to you. This is for you.
Stop.
Keep it here. So you can eat by yourself, okay? You can tell me first how's the taste. Okay? You want Oh. What are you doing? Sanvi, how's the food? Brussels sprout. Good, sweet, crunchy.
Now you can pull this out.
Okay.
Let me drop my stuff off, y'all.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sanvi, look. Eat it.
You can eat it.
I'll give you.
Good job. You want to eat it? What are you struggling with?
Yeah, so I got this one
Huh?
and I need to crack this.
With
And
this?
this is a crab cracker. I'm going to crack this down. I cracked
Uh-huh.
and then I need to do this.
Oh, okay.
Meat. It's a meat.
Let me eat it. Give it away.
Okay. Wow. How's that?
Very good.
So this was our like meal.
No,
उसमें
not
मील में
meal.
काफी चीजें
Meal means
थोड़ा सा मील
sweet.
मिलता है इसमें ज्यादा क्वालिटी नहीं होती मतलब
No quality.
क्योंकि आपको अगर वैसे प्रॉपर फूड चाहिए तो बहुत फुल ऑफ चाहिए देन यू हैव टू गो द
ये
Give it away. Give it away.
सो कितने डॉलर का आपने खर्च किया है
ऑलमोस्ट $100 और अभी भी पेट नहीं भरा हमारा। इसमें कूट के निकल रहा है कि
Give it
मीट
a-
निकल रहा है।
wait, wait,
हाँ
wait. Give
it
me
was
that.
very less
Let me eat that porn.
तो अभी अगर जितना भी ऑर्डर करोगे तो यहाँ पे ये है कि सेम पैसे लग जाएंगे लेकिन उतना मज़ा नहीं आएगा तो इससे
Look.
इससे तो यही है कि आपके इंडियन रुपीस में तो वो हुए ना कितने 4 से 5,000 रुपए और ये व्हाट हैपेंड और ये मील देखो ऐसे खाया जा रहा है कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें सैलेड और ये कोल्स्लो और ये जो लॉबस्टर वगैरह इन्होंने खाया और किसी का ही पेट नहीं भरा राइट
Yes.
ये तो ये अच्छा है रेस्टोरेंट तो अच्छा है बट ये कि अगर आपको आना है तो फिर मतलब सिर्फ पैसे के बारे में नहीं सोचना है कि हाँ कितना लग रहा है क्योंकि अगर आपको पेट भर के खाना है तो
$15-20 टिप है only.
हाँ तो फिर इसलिए अच्छा है कि हमारा अपनी जो
Yeah, I got a good idea.
इसी वन है ना वो सबसे जिंदाबाद
This.
What are you eating? Oh. So you're done?
Yeah.
Everything is done. It's all finished. Finished, and it was authentic food. We enjoyed our food, right? Visha, you full? So let's go home. Okay? It was today's dinner. Okay, you're not gonna eat after that at home, right? Okay.
We can eat a lot of food at home.
Okay, so let's go after that, and it was good food. We enjoyed this, and Visha, you want to say something?
Yep, thank you.
You want to say something?
Bye, guys.
We'll see you in the new vlog because they are all tired. We'll go home,
Okay,
take
bye.
rest. right?
Yeah.
It was good. So if you need something to eat, like some authentic
You can go.
seafood,
You can go to Red Lobster.
Huh.
Be here
Huh.
because you can meet me. Like Anu can meet me, and she's my best friend.
oh really? Okay, so okay, till then, see you. Bye. Let's if I will get time, like
Bye.
we'll share the outside movement. Till then,
Aside woman.
yes, moments. Like we'll go outside and we'll share something if you want.
No, I'm not saying something.
Okay.
Bye.
So if you like our food, like this restaurant food, I know you can just see that, but you can rate us if you want, right?
Bye.
This was our bill. बताओ इतनी सारी चीज़ें ली और उसमें से जो एक जो प्लेट थी वो $42 की थी. It's very expensive. Misha, it was good but it was delicious. So we are going out and still like so many people are waiting up there. So Misha, you tired? You're tired. Everybody is like waiting outside in waiting line.
First time, I didn't never see anybody think get along with all that.
Let's go. Oh God, so chilly outside. Sanvi, how was the food?
It was delicious.
It's like ice cream.
It was so delicious. मेरा पेट पूरा भर के ऐसा हो गया.
Actually, the crab was awesome.
So
And
awesome, bro.
So when you go,
lobster was awesome.
when you're coming to this kind of restaurants, you don't need to think about the money. So you can take the different kind of like varieties. We ordered a little bit because we were experiencing. So that's why. Okay. So we shared whatever we ate today. Let's go home and